Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start the reading with these cards. We have Knight of Suns in reverse, Fool in reverse, and Nine of Moons in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have some kind of a misunderstanding in your circumstances, guys. So this may be in your work or in your relationship, but you're trying really hard, trying to do something, trying to solve this situation, solve the problems you are seeing today. So maybe some misunderstanding in work, maybe with the people you work with. So you have made some impulsive decisions, guys. That may be the reason for this circumstance today. So you may have that carelessness, or you are distracted. Maybe you have something occupying your mind, something is worrying you. Maybe for some reason you are thinking of something, you are not concentrating enough in your work, or if it is in your relationship, you are not paying attention in your relationship, maybe to this person, so whatever they are speaking to you. So something is diverting your attention, and it may be some problems in your work or some problems in yourself. You don't know how you are going to handle a particular situation. So some kind of a emotional stress or anxiety today you may have regarding some circumstance, guys. And maybe the reason for this situation, guys, maybe because you are someone who is just reacting, Libra. So the same way, even in this relationship, instead of thinking about the future of this connection, thinking about this person, what they may feel, you are just reacting. Maybe you are showing your anger or your irritation to them, and maybe for some of you, you are even speaking your mind, whatever comes up. So it may be really painful when someone listens to you, guys. So this person may not see your honesty. Maybe you want to express yourself honestly, but it is hurting them, guys, hurting this person. So they may not have a deeper understanding about what you truly feel. You just want to tell them what you truly feel. Maybe whatever comes up, you just voice that without thinking. So that is going to land you in difficulties, guys, Libras. But if you are having that intention of speaking truth, speaking honestly, Maybe this person will uh, understand you, may not be today, but sometime in future they will try to try to understand you, see things from your perspective, Libras. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Seven of Spheres in reverse. So it just means that if you can hold on, guys, maybe the words you have spoken or your behavior has hurt this person a lot, and they are having a lot of pain about this circumstance, and they are not willing to come towards you. Maybe for some of you, if you are in separation, guys, they have not overcome their hurt yet, guys. But if you are able to hold on, if you can wait for this person, there is a positive change coming, and they will understand you completely, and there is a chance for reconciliation, guys, Libras. So for your career situation, Libras, we picked one card, and Page of Suns, guys. So with this card, it just means that in this in your career situation, guys, you are simply going to be surprised. There is a person who is going to adore you for your skills and talents, and they are just going to help you in your work. They are they are your greatest admirer. They are admiring your work, your skills and talents. But if this person is suggesting something, guys, maybe they are giving you some ideas about something, you must be careful, because for some of you, this person is trying to be really nice to you because they want to use you in some ways, benefit from you. That may be the reason for them speaking those words. So you must be careful, guys. But other than that, they are someone good. They truly adore you, guys, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have turquoise. So that is the crystal spirit card for you all, guys, today. So in your circumstances, each and every one of us, we see the same event differently because our point of view is different, guys. So we need to know that. And if we want to change the way we are, we must change the way we perceive things, and maybe the understanding that comes with it. So we are telling a story to ourselves, something of the past, and we are focused on certain things, and we are creating a story for ourselves, for our life, for our past. So whatever it is, when we change the way we see our circumstances, the way we perceive, so even that story is going to change dramatically, guys. And today you need to change the story of your relationship, guys. So over time you have come to come to a conclusion that this is what has happened, or this is you and this is that other person. So today you must be brave and ready to see the truth, ready to see your circumstances, see your past or maybe your present from a different point of view. So that is going to give you a better clarity, and you should be able to acknowledge your mistakes and all that good things you have done, maybe the remarkable things that you did in your past. So reframing the past, what has happened, is going to help you move forward with a greater wisdom and strength. So if you want a relationship, guys, you must rewrite the past, that story what you have in your mind, and do it only with the details that focus on your strengths and your good things, not on that shortcomings and not on challenges whatever you faced, guys, in your life, in your past. So you must keep your focus on that positive attributes you had, and even that past person has had. So that is going to change the way things were in your past, and that way you will be able to heal, and you will have a lighter sense of feeling in your heart. You will feel really light and relieved when you do that, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you want a better relationship in your future, in your present, you need to do this, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the cloak of Christ. So with this card, guys, it just means that there is a person, a thing, or some kind of circumstance in your situation that is simply acting like a huge weight on your shoulders, pulling you down, pushing you down, holding you back instead of helping you to move forward. But you need to understand that there is divine grace waiting to unfold in your life today, guys. But you need to be free of these shackles, whatever is holding you back, and feel that confidence and strength in your heart. So your intuition will be guiding you today, guys. It may be telling you what you need to do. So maybe there is someone trying to control you, control your actions, or control your decisions today. Sorry, guys, decisions today. So whatever it is, it may be a person or your circumstance, whatever it is, you need to overcome that. You need to feel that release happening, guys. So when we give up on some things, when we release some things, whenever we are forced to do that, maybe you will feel that urge to move away from this control. So you have that some kind of a subconscious intuition to move away from the situation or away from this person. So when that happens, you need to understand that there is a divine blessing waiting to unfold in your life, guys. That is what is happening to you now. So there are better things waiting to fill your life, waiting to manifest in your life, and that is the reason this circumstance is being pushed away from you. That is causing a lot of pain for you, lot of fear. So you should not hold back just for the fear of what will happen in your future. So there is a great breakthrough waiting for you, guys. So you need to take this strong steps towards that. So first thing to do that is to give up this control that you feel in your situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And I have monthly reading in my other channel, and I'll be sharing the link in the description, guys, so you can watch that video in that channel, guys. And please subscribe if you like the reading. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.